So I've got to ask this question because back in 2006, if my history is correct, because I was around, I was trying to pay attention, the Pension Protection Act was passed. And I think also at that time there was talk about privatizing Social Security. Now, first of all, Pension Protection Act required that employers that offered an employer sponsored retirement plan were required to enroll everybody in it unless you opted out. So I think I remember that being part of that bill. But I also remember the talk about privatizing Social Security. What was different back then compared to what could be
Let
proposed
me tell
now
you,
that
yeah,
could work that?
yeah. George W. Bush, which is Bush 43, tried to reform Social Security, and he wanted to privatize it along the lines of what Shaquille is talking about. He wanted to convert it into a defined contribution program. The problem with that was that he forgot what the second word was in Social Security. It's security, not opportunity. It is a social insurance program. It is not an investment program. Okay. And he and Vice President Cheney and a number of other high level government officials went on the road trying to sell their program. And public support for their program was less after they completed their tour than it was when they started their tour. The fact is the Social Security program is one of the better run programs in the United States government. It gets very high ratings from individuals who are affected by Social Security. It is one of the primary reasons why we've lifted a large part of our senior population out of poverty. It is the only thing that people can count on to provide a stated level of income, which is indexed to inflation through their entire lifetime. There's nothing else that does that for the entire population. And at the same point in time, our savings rate is too low. The program needs to be reformed